Miami, 2015. A lot of artwork. Kind of fucked up right now. But enjoy the scenery. It's kind of reminiscent of Banksy, but shit is official though. Art is still alive and kicking. They can't hold us down. True familiars, the free spirits, still alive and kicking. There's the graffiti right there on the wall. It's one of the reasons why I love Florida. I love Miami. Right now I'm about to observe graffiti artists tagging some walls in Miami. Usually you never see this behind the scenes type of stuff, but right now I'm about to show y'all. So here it goes. Witness the art at its highest point. Never seen this behind the scenes tagging. A lot of times they're trying to censor art, but this is freedom of expression at its finest. Woo! Man, shit's official. There you got it.